Wall type installation. Installation components. Box POS. Main display. Opens the components box. User manual. Display bracket. Box POS bracket. Wall bracket. Opens the main display box. Main display. Opens the Box POS box. Adapter. Power cable. Box POS. Disassemble the interface cover and remove the dummy cover from interface cover. Remove the bottom dummy cover and disassemble the main board cover. Assemble the Box POS bracket to the Box POS with screws. Assemble the display bracket to the main display with screws. Pass the display cable through the hole. Assemble the Box POS to the main display with screws. Set main board jumpers and connect display cable. Assemble the main board cover. Assemble the interface cover. Fix wall bracket with anchors and screws where parts are installed. Assemble the POS to wall bracket. Tighten the screw.